In the real estate realm, a property's value is tightly linked to its aesthetics and functionality. Seeking to enhance this property's allure and value, the Joan Pratt Group undertook a thorough renovation and staging endeavor for this $3.5 million home. The aim was to seamlessly blend contemporary upgrades with the home's inherent charm. The kitchen saw substantial improvements, including sophisticated granite countertops that harmonized with existing cabinetry and appliances. Functional enhancements like pendant lighting and new cabinet hardware added modernity without sacrificing its practicality. Every facet of the property was carefully addressed. A thoughtfully chosen backsplash in the kitchen subtly enhanced its visual appeal. Fresh coats of paint throughout the interior breathed new life into the living spaces. Bathroom cabinets received a polished silver finish, and bedroom walls were elegantly painted in soft shades of gray. The previous outdated carpeting was replaced with high-quality carpet and padding, providing a more refined and comfortable living experience. Notably, the meticulous staging boosted the home's appearance, drawing in potential buyers with contemporary decor that made the features of the home pop. The exterior's curb appeal also received a boost. The exterior doors, barn doors, railings, and windows were painted to present a cohesive exterior appearance. The front door, a gateway to the home, was rejuvenated with a fresh coat of paint to offer a warm welcome. Beyond aesthetics, the estate's functionality was a priority. Restoring the Control 4 home system ensured a seamless and modern living experience. Necessary updates such as window replacements and asphalt repairs contributed to the property's overall functionality and appearance. By combining aesthetics and functionality, the property's value increased notably.